because the weather was not good, but it got good and it's gonna get bad again. So we're in this like nice window right now where I think we're gonna be able to see Denali summit and 90% chance we'll land on the glacier. So let me introduce you to the airplane. This is one of the most wonderful, powerful bush planes in all of Alaska. You think I'm joking? Wait till we take off.
Did you bring any syrup?
No.
Have you ever flown anywhere else or only here up in Alaska? But just for fun?
No.
No?
I like Alaska.
Take a summer vacation in the tropics?
Yeah, no, I like it.
You know what I realized? Snow can be delicious in the right temperatures. Because without it, it'd just be, you know, a watery mess. Snow. But still, help me out of here. Oh.
15 degrees here.
Really.
Put your mad guns up.
Come on before you get sick.
Flex.
Get sick.
So, Dad, how you feeling out here?
On top of the world. Caleb, I have something very profound to tell you.
What is it?
Work hard and have a big heart. You can reach any peak you choose to climb. Climb every mountain.
Okay then, buddy, go climb it.